Hello, let's explore how to install Fantastical widget on iPhone. Just tap and hold, you will enter the jiggle mode. Tap on the plus icon either in top right or top left, and then just search for Fantastical. So, yep, you should have Fantastical app installed. So there you have it. And then probably you should create an account first. Okay. And then, yeah, when you create an account, your widget will appear in the widget list in the way I just so there you have it. And let's try again. And then when you created your account, your widget will be available. And then you have icon, date and calendar, small and large widget, what is up next, quick action, add event list plus date, and stuff, event list plus calendar. So the full customizations of different options to have both small, medium size widgets and large. So for example, let's just add large widget. That's how it looks like. And then you can, if you tap and hold, you can just edit widget. You can change appearance, calendar set, show event, show heat map, add event, yeah, so something like that. And yeah, if you tap and hold again, okay, you can just go directly to the event and you can just tap and remove the widget. Hope it is helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching.